Hello children, welcome back to your part 2 video of today's assignment. And as you all know that I have explained you before also that in today's assignment your part 2 video will be of notebook exercise. Is that clear? So I hope children you all have watched my part 1 video of today's assignment in which I have explained you about the chapter, what the story is about, and I have also explained you how to read the chapter. So your first homework is to read the chapter carefully twice or thrice at home. 2 या 3 बार आपको ये चैप्टर अपने घर में अच्छे से पढ़ना है. Is that clear? Now in part 2 video children you will be getting the notebook exercise. Okay, so for that you have to take out your English literature notebook. As you all know that we do all the exercises of English literature in literature notebook, and then turn to a new page. Okay, as you can see here. Now what you have to do, as you all know that first of all you have to write down today's date. So today's date is 3/5/2021. Now April month is passed away. Okay, now at present we are in the month of May, so we will use 5 here. Okay, 5th month is May. Okay, so we will use number 5. 3/5/2021. Okay, now in the first line you will write down chapter number with its name, that is chapter number 3, Hasmina's Kite. Clear? Very neatly and nicely you will write down the date as well as the chapter number with its name. Then in the next line you give the heading of today's assignment, that what is the assignment, what is the exercise is of. Okay, so today's exercise is of part C, that is who said the following. Now listen to this very carefully children. In who said the following, what you all do, there are some sentences given. कुछ sentences हम आपको देंगे जो किसी के थ्रू कहे गए. ओके, किसी के थ्रू आपकी स्टोरी में ये जो सेंटेंसेस कहे गए हैं वो सेंटेंसेस आपको पढ़ के पता लगाना है कि किसने इस सेंटेंस को बोला था. फादर ने बोला, सैफ ने बोला, कि हस्मीना ने बोला, कि शर्मा जी ने बोला. ओके, सो दिस यू हैव टू टेल आफ्टर रीडिंग द होल सेंटेंस वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. So this exercise depends upon your reading. Okay, when you will read the sentence carefully, then only you can answer the correct answer. Is that clear? So are you all ready children? Very good. So let's get started. First sentence. All of you remember then that when we are writing the sentence which is said by someone, कोई भी सेंटेंस हम ऐसा लिखते हैं जो किसी के द्वारा कहा गया है, किसी ने उस सेंटेंस को कहा है, तो हम उस सेंटेंस को इन साइन में लगाते हैं. ओके, ये जो साइन है, एज यू ऑल नो, these two and these two. Okay, at the end of the sentence and at the beginning of the sentence, this sign should be there. Then only you will come to know that this is the sentence which is said by someone. किसी के through ये sentence कहा गया है. Okay, so the first sentence is, I'd like that red kite with the green tail please. अब ये किसने कहा था कि I'd like that red kite with the green tail? मुझे ये red kite ग्रीन टेल के साथ पसंद है, तो ये मुझे लेनी है. किसने बोला था? दिस सेंटेंस वॉज सेड बाय हस्मीना. सो इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन when you will write the question, when you will write the sentence, then in the next line you will put an arrow for the answer and what you will do, you will write the answer Hasmina. How you will write? You can see here, Hasmina, Hasmina. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood how you will write the question as well as the answer. Now moving towards the second question. Again we will put this sign in the starting, okay? Then the sentence is, when can we fly them? Question mark, and at the end these inverted commas are closed, okay? First of all, you will put the inverted commas, open inverted commas, and in the last you will close the inverted commas, okay? Now when can we fly them? अब ये किसने पूछा था कि हम इनको कब उड़ा सकते हैं kites को? This was asked by Saif, okay? So what you will write? Your answer will be in your next line, SAIF, Saif. This is your answer. Clear? Saif ने पूछा था when we can fly them. Now coming to the third question, again open inverted commas, then you will write the sentence, can I help? Question mark, and then at the end inverted comma closed, okay? Now this is the question. Now you will write the answer here, so you will put an arrow. अब ये किसने बोला था can I help? This was said by Sharma ji. Very good, children. So your answer will be Sharma ji. So what you will write here? SHARMAJI, Sharma ji, J-I-G. Okay? When you greet someone, when you show respect for someone, so you use G. Okay? Sharma ji. Is that clear? Now moving towards our fourth sentence. Again inverted commas open, then you will write the sentence, please don't cut down my kite. Inverted commas closed and an exclamation mark at the end. Now who said this line, children? Do you all remember? ये किसने बोला था कि प्लीज मेरी काइट को मत काटो? ये किसने बोला था? So your answer is Saif. Very good. So what you will write here? SAIF, Saif. This is your answer. Saif ने बोला था कि please मेरी kite को मत काटो. Now coming to the last sentence, that is how you will write? Again inverted commas open. Oh dear! Exclamation mark. He'll cut down my kite. Again exclamation mark and inverted comma closed. Oh dear means किसी भी चीज से अगर आपको शॉक लगता है या आप एकदम से परेशान हो जाते हो तो आप कहते हो अरे यार, oh dear, he'll cut down my kite. ये तो मेरी काइट को काट देगा. ये किसने बोला था लास्ट में? Very good. Hasmina said this line. So what is your answer? Hasmina. 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 So this is your answer for fifth sentence. Okay. So I hope children you all have understood this exercise. How you will do this exercise in your notebooks? First of all, you will read the sentence very carefully and then you will make out that who said this sentence. Okay. So once again I am repeating, listen to it carefully. First of all, you will write down today's date, then the chapter number with its heading, with its name, Hasmina's Kite, chapter number 3, and in the next line you will give the heading of your exercise, who said the following. Clear? Now the first question, I'd like that red kite with the green tail, please. Who said this? Hasmina. Second question, when can we fly them? Who said this? Saif. Third question, can I help? Who said this? Sharma ji. Next, fourth question, please don't cut down my kite. Who said this? Saif. And in the last fifth sentence, oh dear, he'll cut down my kite. Who said this? Hasmina. So children, I hope you all have understood this exercise very clearly. Very easy exercise, and you will only be able to complete this type of exercise when you know what is there exactly in your story. Okay, so for that you have to read the story twice or thrice at home, or as many times you want, to know that who said exactly which lines, and then you can answer here. Okay, आपको ये वीडियो से पता कर, ये एक्सरसाइज से ये पता चलेगा कि इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको क्या करना है. आपको सेंटेंस पढ़ के पता करना है कि ये सेंटेंस किसने बोला, और ऐसा आप तभी पता कर सकते हो जब आपने अच्छे से पूरी स्टोरी को पढ़ा होगा. और जब तक आप घर में हो आपको हर स्टोरी को 2 से 3 बार तो एटलीस्ट पढ़ना है. इज दैट क्लियर? Then only you will be able to answer these type of questions. Is that clear? So I hope children you all have understood today's assignment very clearly, and I hope you will complete this work by today itself, and tomorrow we will start with our question answers and make sentences, and by that we will complete our chapter number 3, Hasmina's Kite. Okay, so till my next video children, please make sure that you complete all your work on time, and please make sure you start learning also, which it will only help you during your exams children. Okay, so till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe, and please follow all the instructions given by your teachers. Bye bye children.